Hello, David here, and the project for today is installing a rotisserie kit for the Weber Genesis 2 model S330 propane grill. If you remember my channel, I just did a video on putting an igniter kit on that same grill, and I could put the link up at the top. If you're watching on YouTube, if you're watching on Rumble, I'll put the link in the description below. This is an aftermarket product. It's not made by Weber. It's made by a company called OneGrill. And I got this on Amazon. I have Amazon Prime. If you have Amazon Prime and want to order something from OneGrill, it doesn't follow the Amazon Prime rules. It's not next day delivery. It took a week for it to get here. And also, if you buy something that doesn't fit, you have to go by the OneGrill procedure for returning. It doesn't have the easy return procedure that Amazon has, and you're pretty much at the whim of them. I just did a I was going to do this project with this OneGrill product that was a aftermarket motor hanger for the rotisserie, and it didn't fit the grill. It was the Weber model S330. It was hanging too low. No, I'm sorry, it was too high. So I tried to return it, and they gave me the third degree, and it looks like I'm going to be stuck with it, and maybe I can use it for another project. This is the hanger for this one, and the motor fits sideways. It goes on like this. Going to hang just like that. It's got the mounting screws. It's got two skewers with some heavy-duty thumb screws on it. I've had other models that had really tiny thumb screws, and they were hard to screw. It's got a skewer that is about 35 inches long with a screw-on handle, and it's got a counterweight. So this is a lock washer. Doesn't look like a typical lock washer, but goes on the handle like this. Oh, okay, it's threaded. Nuts are 11 millimeter. The way the counterweight works is that if you don't get your food balanced on the spit, it's going to wobble, and that's going to put some strain on the motor because the motor is going to work harder and at 180 degrees of the turn of the spit. So you lock this on in between the thumbnail and the handle, and you put the weight on the light side of the food to counterbalance it, and you can slide it in or out. You get more leverage when it's out and less leverage when it's in. In other words, when it's in, there'll be less weight counteracting. If you need more weight to counteract for balance, you slide it out a little bit. And the way I've been rotisserieing, I always get the food balanced. When I put the food on the spits, or on the skewers of the spit rather, I always turn it in my hand to see if it's balanced, and I can pretty much get it balanced by moving the food around. Usually it's chicken. I move the chicken around on the skewers, I could get it balanced, but this might be helpful for balancing it even better. And if you don't have the hand strength, a 3/8 inch open end wrench can hold this down while you're tightening the handle on the weight. Check this out. The bracket that didn't fit the Genesis 2 S330 fits the Genesis Silver perfectly, along with my aftermarket rotisserie motor. Good to go. Guess what's for dinner? If you guessed chicken, you'd be right. Yeah, rotisserie chicken. It's going to be good. It's been cooking for an hour and 20 minutes. I'm going to check the internal temperature and then eat dinner. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.